Hi, my name is Havish Madhupati, and in today's example, I want to introduce two new data types that have been added to Microsoft Excel. One of this is stocks, and the other one is geography. Both these new data types can be found under the Data tab on Excel. For example, we have taken five names: Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and a sixth one, which is an Indian company, Tata Motors. If we want to convert this into a stock data type and then we want to see some details about that stock, we can simply select and then click on stocks. And you notice that all these different companies have been converted to the stock index. This means that we can now write equal to, select the first cell B2, and then if I add a period, I have different details that I can select. As you can see, if I choose employees, it tells me the number of employees in these companies. If I again put a dot and then I say the description, it gives me a description about the company. Or something more obvious would be if you want to look at the change, we can look at the change that has happened as well. Wonderful, right? It just requires a few clicks and you're able to convert data that is already there on Excel into a stock data type. But it doesn't end there. If you notice, I can select this and then click on this icon. The shortcut is Ctrl Shift F5. And this opens a small window which uses Bing search. And as you can see, it now gives me a real-time search, giving me even more details about that company. For example, right now, we are looking at Tesla and we can see different details about Tesla. So let us say we want to look at the high value. I can just click on the plus button and this value that I selected from that pop-up also gets added to my Excel sheet. All right. Now let's look at how we work with geography. So I'm just putting some random numbers here. We can first select the list of 6 countries, go to data, and then click on geography. As you can notice, the data types have been converted to a geography. We get this geography icon. Again, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift F5, and this gives us a small preview of the country that we selected. Remember, this is not being picked up by Google search, it is picked up by Bing search, but it is showing you the Wikipedia information. All right. After this, if we put an equal to sign and select the country and put a dot, you notice we have different details that we can select. For example, I can look at the birth rate, the area, or I can look at the GDP. Again, we can easily get the GDP for all these countries simply by putting in the country data type in the cell and then putting a dot and then selecting the GDP. And if you want to make a map, we can select these data points, click on insert and then select a map. And as you can see, the 6 countries that we have selected automatically get plotted on the map as well. So I hope you like these examples. In the next few quarters, we are expecting Microsoft to launch even more data types in Excel. But I think this is a wonderful start. And even though this is not to the level at which you can work in a business intelligence tool like Power BI, it is excellent to see that even on Excel, we have all these capabilities that have been added. So I hope you like the example. See you for the next one.